Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Kai by Rene of Paris in the color Melted Marshmallow. A lot's been said about Kai, and a lot's been said about this color, and I like them both, so I figured I should just marry the two and show it off a little bit. I love this Melted Marshmallow color. I own a Rene in this color, and I wear it frequently. But honestly, I think that this particular color works better on something like Rene or something that's got a little bit of a curl to it because it shows off the dynamicism of this color. It's a little flat looking on something like Kai. But Kai is also really flat. That's sort of the style. It's very pressed looking, you know, very flat ironed and very chic. It's still really beautiful. The cut on this is really nice. It's a very beautiful, graduated, blunt bob. I mean, it's got layering, razor cut layering here at the ends, but it's really chic the way it just kind of cuts this angle here in the front and on the sides. It definitely gives the appearance that it's one length all the way around, aside from right here in the front. It's quite short, and I think it's really cute. Like, the front of it has this beautiful lace front. It's also got a monofilament side part that I'll show you in greater detail when I take Kai off. The hair moves beautifully. It feels very satiny. This is a really great wig value for money. I'm gonna go ahead and take Kai off now so I can show you the cap construction. So you can see here that this is open wefted on the sides, and in the back we have an extended felt nape. It does not have Velcro adjusters, however. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here, as it has ample amounts of elastic here at the back near the nape that allows for ample stretch, so this can accommodate up to an average large frame. This does have a really nice band of felt right here at the ear tab with a little bit of metal to help keep it flush up against the sides of your head. And we've also got temple to temple lace here. It's not really that contoured, it kind of goes straight across, but you have a generous parting section here on the left that is surrounded by fuzzy felt, and there's just a little bit of permatease on the side opposite of it, but it's extremely minimal. This is meant to be a very light looking wig, very sleek and very straight. I find this to be really comfortable on. And again, I love this color. So this has been Kai by Rene of Paris in the color Melted Marshmallow. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, where you can find Kai and other Rene of Paris styles, as well as a whole bunch of other stuff and exclusives that only we carry. So make sure you check us out, www.cysterwigs.com, CysterWigs. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.